Welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video we're making seafood boil in a bag and we will be cooking it under the oven. It's so easy to do, so keep on watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Thumbs up the video for more videos like this one. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, we're about to get started. These are the crabs that we will be using today. Here is Dungeness crab, snow crabs. We have some jumbo shrimp here. What I will be doing is adding the seasoning on there, and then I will cover it with some butter to cover up the seasoning. I forgot to tell you guys, this is the bag we will be baking the crabs in. It is just a regular oven bag. This is it. So this is how it looks. It's a really big bag. Okay guys, I added the bag in here so it can kind of like stand up so it doesn't just fall apart when I add the stuff in there. I will be adding Old Bay seasoning in there. I'm gonna add the seasoning. This is Old Bay seasoning, just add it in the crab. Next we'll be adding butter. And I forgot to mention, you guys, you need to preheat your oven on 400. So that's the oven that just made that noise. Alright, now I have the butter. I will be adding the butter on top of it just like so. Just spread it, cover it. And I will be doing that for the entire crab, just like so. This is the Dungeness crab. Just keep adding your seasoning on there. Spread your butter on top, just like so. And we're going to repeat that for all the crabs. Alrighty guys, like I did on my last seafood boil, I will be preheating these potatoes for about 10 minutes on the microwave because it will take forever for those to cook. They're raw potatoes, red potatoes. All you have to do is just cover it and microwave it for 10 minutes. Alrighty, now I am going to add the shrimp in here. We're going to add the sausage. I will be adding the potatoes now. Hopefully the bag is big enough. Adding the corns. About this much. And also I have a whole onion, yellow onion going in there. Now, this is Cajun seasoning. This right here is pepper and there's some salt at the bottom. Here is some hot sauce. And and we have some minced garlic. Now I will be adding the Old Bay seasoning. And I will be adding a whole stick of butter in there. The whole stick of it. Alrighty. This looks so good right now, and it smells great. It smells hot too. It's a lot. Woo! I might have to add another bag in there because now I am going to add another bag, but like I said, because the bag was too, I don't know, I just wanted to make sure it doesn't pop while it's baking. There's a lot of seasoning in there. It looks really good so far. I am about to bake this for 45 minutes on 400 degrees, okay? Alright guys, this is our seafood boil. It's nice and ready. I am about to open the bags for you guys to see how it looks. It looks nice and juicy, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some juice here. The bag kind of popped a little. Oh, it's really hot. It's steaming hot. You guys, can you guys see this? It's nice. Look at all the seasoning on top of it. It just looks so good. It looks so delicious right now.
Next level.
This is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this seafood boil. I will be coming back with a mukbang, the messiest mukbang you've ever seen me do. So stay tuned. Be sure you are subscribed. Like the video. Let's get the video to 500 likes, you guys. Share with all your friends who loves seafood boil, and also subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye.